Bill Rose tries to focus on the things he can do, not the things a rare disease has taken from him, but sometimes that's difficult.
To me, probably the thing I miss most in my whole life is being able to stand up and just bear hug my wife.
Bill was diagnosed with ATTR amyloidosis 12 years ago. It's a genetic protein disorder affecting his nerves and heart. His father had it and declined rapidly without any real treatment options at that time. Bill is now in a wheelchair and struggles with carpal tunnel-like symptoms.
I'm pretty numb from the elbows down and from the knees down, and the muscles are wasted in my hands, so they don't work properly.
He's enrolled in clinical trials to treat the disease with some success, but now there is new hope.
We like to think of it in terms of fixing broken genes.
John Leonard is the president and CEO of Intellia Therapeutics, a Cambridge company now testing a potential game changer in treating genetic disease. It's called CRISPR-Cas9.
I think of certain genetic disorders. If we can isolate the gene that causes it, CRISPR allows us to start thinking about ways to repair that gene and potentially reverse and cure the disease.
Leonard says the DNA in our cells looks a bit like a necklace, billions of beads or nucleotides long. CRISPR-Cas9 is a class of enzymes that can act like genetic scissors once they've identified the affected gene.
And if you want to find 20 beads in a row out of those 3 billion, you're able to do that with CRISPR-Cas9. What that does is it takes a scissors there, which is the enzyme, and alters that DNA in ways that we want it to be altered.
They're testing this technology right now in the first in-human clinical trial for patients with ATTR amyloidosis, and Leonard has high hopes.
That is the power of CRISPR, that we can imagine things that we couldn't imagine before.
This development gives Bill Rose hope, too. One of his 3 sons also has the gene for ATTR, but with breakthroughs like this, his story may be different.
And I just want people to know that, that the challenge is to focus on the positive and also to realize that, science is progressing and we're really, making progress with this.
Another option for CRISPR could be reprogramming cells. So instead of altering them, as this trial is doing, if the technology could reprogram, say, an immune system that's not working properly, it would open up treatment possibilities for so many more genetic diseases.